This question from the Free State, September 2023. Question 4. We are given the function h of x 4.1. Write down the equations of the asymptotes of h, x is equals to 2, and then y is equals to 2. 4.2. Calculate the x-intercept of h. For x-intercept, we said y is equals to 0. 0 is equals to minus 2 over x minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 into x minus 2 is equals to minus 2. This is minus 2x, that's a plus 4, which is equals to negative 2 minus 2x is equals to minus 6. The x value should be equals to 3. So the x coordinate is 3 is to 0. 4.3. Draw the graph of h. Clearly show all asymptotes and the intercept with the axis. So I'm going to start with the equations of the asymptotes. I have 1 at x is equals to 2. And then the other one is at y is equals to 2. Y is equals to 2. And then the x-intercept, that is at 3, is to 0. Now I just need to find the y-intercept. For y-intercept, I'm going to set x equals to 0. h of 0 is equals to minus 2 over 0 minus 2 plus a 2. That is going to give me a 3. Therefore, the y-intercept is 0 is to 3. 0 is to 3. My function is going to look like that. So it never touches the asymptote, but it gets very close. 4.4. Determine the equation of the axis of symmetry of h in the form where m is less than 0. So they want the equation of the axis of symmetry with a negative gradient. Y is equals to negative gradient x plus c. Y should be equals to 2, and then x should be equals to 2. So c is equals to a 4. Therefore, y is equals to minus x plus a 4. 4.5. Determine the range of negative h at x plus 1. Well, this is negative h of x plus 1 minus my h of x is given as negative 2 over x minus 2 plus 2, and then I'm adding that 1. This is equals to 2 over x minus 2 minus 2 plus a 1. So this is 2 minus x minus 2 minus 1. This means that the equation of the y asymptote will be y is equals to negative 1. So the range will be y is an element of real numbers, but y cannot be equals to negative 1. For example, let me show you where this is coming from. So the equation of the y asymptote here is y is equals to 2. So you can see that you can find the graph everywhere. The graph is everywhere, except when y is equals to 2. Because we said that the graph moves very close to the asymptote, but it doesn't touch it. So that's why the range is y is an element of real numbers, but y is not equals to negative 1. 0.6. Determine the values of x where h of x is less or equals to 0. So I'm just going to go to my sketch. So they want to know where h is below the x-axis. H is below the x-axis from there all the way to before 2. Remember, the graph doesn't touch the asymptote, but it gets very close. So it will be below from there all the way down. So in other words, x should lie between the 3 and then the 2. So we exclude the 2 because that is the equation of the asymptote and it doesn't touch the asymptote. But we do include the 3 because there the graph is equals to 0.